Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Blender and immediately switching to camera view. This keeps context while you change size. Select the camera object in the outliner or by right-clicking it, and then open the sidebar with N so the camera properties are visible. Once done, make sure you're in the right render engine cycles, or EV, because camera settings behave slightly differently. You need the camera active. If not, right-click it and choose Set Active Camera before proceeding to lens adjustments. Next, focus on the lens and sensor controls to change how much of the scene the camera captures. In camera properties, choose perspective for normal depth, orthographic for no perspective, or panoramic for 360. Each changes how size is interpreted. Adjust focal length in mm to widen or tighten the view, and tweak sensor size to fine-tune the field of view. For orthographic cameras, use orthographic scale instead. Type numeric values when you need precise framing or match footage dimensions. Finally, match the camera to your intended output by setting the output resolution and aspect ratio in render properties. This ensures what you see is what you render. Use Viewport Render Preview to confirm composition and enable Lock Camera to View if you want interactive framing while orbiting. If things look off, check Object Transforms. Apply scale with Ctrl+A on the camera so lens math is correct, and reset rotation if needed. If problems persist, revert to default camera settings and reapply specific numeric values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.